Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to display delivery date on product pages. So it's pretty simple. You want to actually go to your store right here, online store, themes, and then customize your store. From there, you want to actually just go ahead and choose up your store right here. So let's just allow cookies on storefront and in the theme editor right here. So let's just wait for it to load up. So let's just let it load again. So allow here, and then here in the password section or the default homepage section you want to choose products, then you want to choose your default products. From there, once you have done that, you actually want to go to the theme settings basically, or the sections, and in the sections you want to actually, so let's just grab one right here. Let's add a block. So from here you want to add an actual block or spacer. So let's try to add a section instead. So image with text would be more appropriate for this. So you want to go ahead and use a liquid code on this. So it's pretty simple. So there I found the custom liquid. I apologize for that. And then I will paste this code right here basically, and it will actually help me provide the date right here. So I will leave this in the comment section down below for you guys to check out and copy into your own store. So you can change the scheme editing right here if you want to do so. So you can get it between Friday, November 29th to Wednesday, December 4th. And it's just that simple. So all you have to do from there is save it and you're gonna be okay. So there you go guys, that is how to display this delivery date on your product page. And if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.